Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase photo quality in Photoshop. We'll dive into the core principles of image resolution and how it directly affects the sharpness and detail of your photographs. Identifying a low-quality image is the first step, and I'll show you what to look for. Then, we'll explore the essential Photoshop tools designed to bring out the best in your pictures, making them look crisp and professional. Let's get started on transforming your images. To effectively increase your photo's quality, start by navigating to the image size dialog in Photoshop. Here, you can adjust both the dimensions and resolution of your picture. Crucially, select the Preserve Details 2.0 resampling method. It's designed to intelligently add pixels without introducing excessive blur. After upscaling, a subtle application of sharpening will help define edges and bring out finer details, making your image look much clearer. After adjusting your image size, the next step is to refine its details and manage any digital noise. Utilize the Reduce Noise filter to smooth out unwanted graininess, carefully adjusting the strength and Preserve Details sliders to maintain important textures. For a final touch, apply Smart Sharpen. This tool allows you to enhance edges precisely, making your photo appear much crisper without introducing halos or other undesirable artifacts. These steps are key to a polished look. For even greater control, explore the Camera Raw filter, which offers powerful global and local adjustments to fine-tune color, contrast, and clarity. If you frequently work with low-resolution images, investing in a high-quality third-party plugin for specialized upscaling algorithms can yield superior results. These tools often use advanced AI to intelligently reconstruct image data. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals to keep you comfortable while you edit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.